Welcome back to my channel. Today I am planning on moving my coffee bar. I'm moving it over here to this area instead of where it is right now, right here, next to the kitchen sink. This area is a lot of where I do a lot of the cooking and where I empty the dishwasher. And so I thought maybe if I cleared this out, it would take away from the clutter and it would give me more space to work while I'm cooking and preparing stuff here in the kitchen. So if you want to see how I move over my coffee bar and see whether or not it works out, then please keep watching. This is the area that I'm going to move the coffee bar to. So I'm just going to clear out a lot of this nonsense and wipe down this countertop with Miss Meyer's peppermint spray. They were so young in this picture. Oh, what a difference a few years can make. It's crazy how much clutter can build up over here in this section. It's a whole bunch of stuff that has a place to be but ends up on this counter, and I am the only one that picks it all up and puts it away where it's supposed to be. Within 2 hours it's a mess again. So I'm kind of excited to make this area have a purpose, and that way I'm hoping it cuts back on the clutter and the, you know, just like the dropping items here without thinking about where they should go. Back when I met you, we were like fireworks, thought nothing could break us, but oh how we got burned. Look at us now, we scream, we fight. I have a pull-out tray that I place underneath the Keurig coffee machine. I think I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond. It has a bottom piece and then a slider on top, and that way you can just pull out the machine whenever you need to refill the water and pull it back, so it doesn't really take up. It makes it a lot easier to access the coffee maker with that tray. If you don't have one, I would recommend that you get one. It really makes it a lot easier to clean it and to refill it with water, and even sometimes if you have a low cabinet top, then it makes it easier to be able to open the machine. Try to say goodbye. You know we had our problems, so now we have to try to move on. Baby, you and me, we're so messed up together. Even if we tried, we'd be stuck here forever. I don't understand right now how to make it through, but I'll get over you, and it's not like I'm gonna hate you. It's what it is, nothing left that we could do, even though it hurts right now. This is a cleared out area, and look what I found underneath the slider. I had no idea that it was there. I rarely pick it up, but it's just a lot of coffee creamer and sugar and other sticky stuff. So I'm just going to wipe this area down and figure out if I'm going to leave it bare or add something there that doesn't take up too much space. Or is it hard to agree with what you're trying to explain? Don't mind feather wings, no diamond rings, but that's not how you get to me, no. We could sit in the shade, talk till late, and then we'll see. We can go for walks, stroll down the city park, and maybe, just maybe, sweet delivery never guaranteed, no matter the place or time. Oh, I like when you're whispering and really listen.
Okay, so this is what I ended up with. I moved this table runner, which was a little short for our dining table. I put it underneath the coffee machine. And I have this little mug stand here. I think that's from Amazon. It's got the darker finish on here. Here's my sugar. I'm gonna need another one for creamer. And I'll put this here for my spoon. And that's it. Over here is where the coffee maker was. So you can see here, I've opened up a whole side of the kitchen for food prep, for emptying the dishwasher, for washing the dishes, for making lunches, everything. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. And if you have any ideas on what else I could put here on this counter and how I could decorate the coffee bar, then please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Anyways, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you subscribed and became a part of my YouTube family. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.